Hey everybody, today I'm back with a 3-meal brunch idea and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a thumbs up and a comment. First, I'm starting with grits and I like to use the Quaker brand and it's literally 5 minutes with them boiling as is mentioned. I peeled sweet potatoes and I chopped them into cube sizes and boiled for about 10 minutes while I started to prep the other veggies so I can saute in a skillet pan. I chopped green bell pepper and some red onion. As the water comes to a boil, I just added a cup of the grits. And I like to add the coconut brown sugar with it. And it gives it a nice sweet taste. And just stir it all together. And there you have it. The grits are done. To the pan, I added grapeseed oil and the sweet potato. I let it boil so it could get nice and tender. Then I like to steam out the rest with the peppers and onion and a few seasonings. I'll link them in the description box. And then I decided to have the last of this plant-based patty. It's a quote-unquote like chicken by Morningstar. And I just sliced that up and topped it with my plate. And I had a glass of orange juice with this meal. The second option is the cinnamon gluten-free pancakes. I like to use gluten-free all-purpose baking mix, coconut palm sugar, some flakes of coconut, cinnamon, and the vanilla extract as my base to make the pancakes. And I used a cup of the pancake mix, and then I used also about 2 tablespoons of the sugar and the last of like the vanilla extract, which turned into about a tablespoon. Normally I'll use 2 tablespoons depending on how many pancakes I'm making. The cinnamon, and then I like to add a plant-based milk, and this time I had almond milk, and I love the toasted coconut almond milk blend. It's really good and it's light, and it gives it that nice thick consistency that the pancake needs to form, because I don't use egg in this mixture. And yeah, it came out really perfect. And I also like to use this Earth Balance vegan butter to the pan. I like to wait until it's nice and hot and like sizzly before I add in the mixture. That way the edges can get nice and crisp. I'm a pancake lover of nice crisp and crunch around the edges. Ooh, it tastes so good. If you guys like your pancakes like that, let me know in the comments. On the side, I added vegan bacon, and I like this brand by Lightlife. And it really reminded me of turkey bacon, and it just sizzles really well in the pan, and it has that turkey bacon crunch and kind of like aftertaste, but it's not as salty. So I added some blue agave nectar syrup to my pancakes, and I just did some homemade strawberry jam on the stove. If you guys are interested in how I make my jams, just let me know and maybe I'll do a video with that. And I added the coconut flakes and then the bacon on the side and some almonds on top. It was really good. I really liked how this pancake mixture came out. The last option is a grilled cheese sandwich. I used white bread in this one. It doesn't have any preservatives, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial colorings or flavors. I used the bacon and the chao vegan slices. I love this brand of cheese. It's really good. I like to add the butter to the bread first before adding it to the grilled pan. It's something about that extra like buttery taste that you get on the outside. It's really good. I add 2 layers of the cheese and I let that sit a little bit to just get hot and melted. I added 3 pieces of the plant-based bacon and then 1 more layer of cheese to give that nice cheesy feel and effect, and then just layer it together. So this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed all 3 meals, and if you go ahead and try one, just let me know how it tastes for you, because these are my top 3 go-to meals, especially for like a Saturday when you don't have to wake up and go to work and you can like chill and have like something tasty in the comfort of your home. Yeah, I love it. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day or the start of your day whenever you are watching this. And please come back and join me in another video and subscribe to my channel, and look forward to more food meals coming your way.